Hello, good day. Welcome to Ghana Lotto TV. So this is midweek predictions. A second video. This is actually the second video of my midweek predictions. All because I've discovered a three direct setup. Yes. So it will be unfair of me not to share this particular setup plan with you. Yes, one of the numbers from the other video is actually here. Yeah, and that one, there are 5 numbers there, very powerful. If you have not watched that video yet, it's showing up here, and at the end of this video it will come by itself. It will come and show. So you tap on it. It's a software predictions. That's Smart Lotto calculator. The two show there are very powerful, and then the number that is captured here. So make it a point to watch that video, and then it is my hope that we are going to get a double win. A win from there and a win from here. A win from there and a win from here. You can actually combine all the games. You can combine them. That would be like 9 numbers in all. Okay. So give the video a thumbs up. If you are new here, hit on the subscribe button. Yes. So this is midweek on board. Last week, these were the draw numbers: 82, 15, 55, 67, 47. Then 62, 30, 32, 44, 84 for the machine side. Okay. So I think I'll mark out, I've circled this side. Alright. Let me show you. Yes, so this is it. It's a machine setup plan and it's going up. It's a machine setup plan and it's going up. So the red is for the plan, the machine setup plan. That's for the red. Then the blue is the current. This other one stands for the current, where we have a 55 to 82 last week played. So this is where the plan started at even 11:38. So this side is taken as the win, and then this side is taken as a machine for the red. Okay, so you meet 45 center box win with 49 first box. So 45 center box win, 49 first box. The following week, 55 plus 10 of the 45 will lap 45. I said the plan is what is going up. Machine setup is going up. So 45 will come. The plus 1 of 48 plus 10 of 45 will lap it. That's 55. Will lap 45 directly. And this one should be connected with a 30-32 in machine. 30-32 in machine. So last we have the 55 lapping 45 directly with 30-32 at machine. 30-32 at machine. I can see some of you are nodding your head. Yes. Powerfully. So this is the next event to go in for. Perm this event here. These 5 numbers, perm them. And your best 3 are those underlined: 87, single 9, 62. One of these underlying numbers are in there. One of them is in the software predictions over there. Those of you that watch that video, you know the one I'm talking about. Yes, one of them is over there. Very powerful. And you see a quick confirmation. You see that last week we had 55-82. So 55-82. For this one, let's say the plan is coming down 55-82. Then the following week we are meeting these. So these two played at machine in the following week, this event. So now that they've moved to win, today expect 2 or 3 of these numbers to play. Yes. So you can combine the 2 games from the 2 videos and you will get like 9 numbers in all. Yes, that is if you can try. you can PM the 9 numbers. Okay, for the 27 single 9, there is a quick confirmation of them. See the 82 plate the following week. Single 9 lap it directly. Single 9 it lap 82 directly. So here today this single 9 is likely to lap 55 or 82. Likely to lap 55 or 82. You see that here it is locked. 55 here, 55 here. Single 9. It is being locked. When you are going up, it laps. This one, when you are coming down, it laps. So, and here it lapped this thing 82. So 1 to 90 for you. 1 to 90. You can add this to the 1 to 90 in the other video live to show. Then this particular 62 is powerful. See that he played and repeated. So that's giant. It's a giant for you. And this 87 is captured in the several predictions. This 87 is captured in the several predictions. Alright. So I'll leave you to continue with the other video. It'll come and show up. So tap on it and continue with the other video. But this is the 3 direct setup plan for you. Good luck and see you tomorrow for Fortune Thursday predictions. Thank you for watching.